2025 Shelby Ford F-150 Raptor Super Snake unofficially revealed, facelift has 825 HP. One of the few big announcements from this year's NAIA's, North American International Auto Show, was the introduction of the 2024 Ford F-150 series, a built Ford tough truck that is smart and powerful to conquer life's challenges. Prepared to go on sale early next year, the facelift model got subtle yet meaningful improvements to make it even better than its classic foes Chevrolet Silverado, Ram 1500, and GMC Sierra. There's a new base 2.7-liter engine with more horsepower and torque, plus the EcoBoost V6S, as well as the mighty V8S. Of course, even the Raptors got the refresh treatment, but that doesn't mean the 5.2-liter supercharged V8 Raptor R is better than the 702 HP Ram 1500 TRX. Instead, if you want more oomph, Carroll Shelby International soon announced the impending release of the Centennial Edition Shelby Super Snake F-150, which is set to arrive with no less than 800 horsepower. But what if that's just an appetizer? Once production of the 2024 Ford F-150 trucks gets underway, representatives of the aftermarket realm, like Shelby, will get their hands on the updated pickups and send them on their merry tuning way. So, what if the next Shelby F-150 iteration is even feistier than the recently launched Special Edition? Well, at least across the imaginative realm of digital car content creators, that is. Thus, meet the good folks over at the Autoya Info channel on YouTube who have imagined the CGI looks of the unannounced 2025 Shelby F-150 Super Snake. Naturally, it doesn't take a genius to envision the potential changes bestowed upon the next iteration. The 2024 F-150 refresh is already out in the open, and the previous Shelby Super Snake is an excellent indication of how the new model will evolve. As always, the resident Pixel Master also created an entire roster of dedicated, ritzy color choices. But that is not all. Instead, the host muses that once Ford starts production of the 2024 F-150 and it lands at Shelby, they will also rework the power levels of the Raptor R with a base configuration of 800 ponies to equal the Centennial Edition, and then also add a flagship on top of it with some 825 horsepower. So, what do you think? Will that be enough to disrupt the established order of off-road business where the Ram 1500 TRX keeps coming on top of its 700 HP Ford F-150 Raptor R competitor in most comparisons and reviews? Or is the Shelby model too obscure to cause any harm to the broader distribution of the Stellantis foe? Anyway, we shall soon see. And remember, do take all this with a grain of salt, as nothing is official just yet.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything